Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix there is a problem with this website's security certificate. So to resolve this issue, click on start and open settings. Now here guys you have to click on time and language. Now click on date and time. Now select this option set time automatically. If you not see this option or it's gray out or turn off, so select here set time automatically, and here guys click on sync now. So once you see sync now is enabled, and you can select your proper time zone in this list. So these three ways guys you can fix and resolve. Firstly, turn on this option and set proper your time zone where you are living, and click on this sync now, and click on this sync now, so update your time. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.